Alright, this is what I've been doing to the bug. I had to replace my ball joints, or in the process of replacing my ball joints. I went ahead and undercoated the inside of the fenders there, fender wells. Also did some in there. I'm gonna go get some more cans and put another layer on. I'm gonna go ahead and do this because it's sound deadening too. It's a sound deadening rubberized material. I ain't decided if I'm gonna do that underneath. Also, I think I will. I'll go ahead and paint my brake drums. Also repack those bearings, and also there's the beam here. I'm cleaning it up and cleaning all the rest of the grease up off of it and everything before I coat it. Also the rubberized undercoating. I think that'd be better than just painting it, since nobody sees the beam under there anyway. And when I first got the Volkswagen running, the gas line here, the old one was clogged completely up, and just to do a rush job, I ran a new fuel line all the way back, rubber. And so now that I got the beam off, I can get to the access plate really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the hard line, gas line, and run it all the way through the back, come out the back where it's supposed to be. Feel more safer that way instead of having it run inside the car and run it back through the tunnel like it's supposed to be. And I think while I got that off, I'm going to go ahead and replace the shifter. Little nylon, I guess nylon shifter ring in there, bushing. Of course, I got my seats in. Got the back seats in. Got the back seats in, mounted. Everything's mounted. Works good. The back seats flip down. And what we're about to do, since I got the fenders off and everything now, I'm gonna go ahead and strip those down. And actually what we're going to do is do a new paint job. I'm going to go ahead and tear my headliner out, so we're about to replace it. I got a few dents up here, and the reason I painted it gloss black to begin with is to see all the little dents, because that gloss black brings out all the little dents. So I'm going to go ahead and fix those while we got everything stripped down. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint the top to the back, the fenders front and back a satin black, and then the centerpiece here, centerpiece, all that, we're going to paint it a red to match the seats. That's going to be a gloss red. It's not going to be like a red. It's going to be more like a burgundy color, I think I'll go with. I think that'll look good. And then on my rims, the black part, we're going to change the color on those. I'm going to go ahead and get them polished up. And then that'll be it. So the top, the whole top, and the top here will be satin black. The fenders will be satin black, and then of course anything in the center will be red. And got my tools today to start pressing them ball joints out. Oh yeah. Had one come out when I was taking it off. So we'll replace those, get the gas line in, and put everything back in.